Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. So in this video I'm going to be making a bunch of sets of earrings for myself, but I want to let you guys know what I'm using. So to actually cut out my shapes, this right here is just plain foam, nothing special, nothing expensive, just foam. This is what I'm going to be using to put the material on. This, to cut out my shapes, these are thinlets. I paired this up with my Sizex to cut it out. That way, you know, everything is even, everything is precise, and it's a good clean cut. Now, I used these little, what is this? These little faux leather wraps, or what is these? Rolls. This is what I also cut. This is what I'm going to be using to some of them. I'm going to be using these for some of them to apply onto here, and I'm going to use the foam, you know, as the backing. And these are lightweight earrings, as well as I have some felt here for the smaller ones that I'm going to be putting on here. Now, if you do have the felt in the leather, you can just leave it like this. There's nothing wrong with you just putting a hook and some jump rings on it and doing it like this, and that's the earring. That's fine. You don't have to put a backing on it. You don't. But I don't want no white backing. I don't want that. Okay, so I'm going to be using that. Probably going to be using jump rings. Not probably, I am. Going to be using some of these clamps, crimpers, whatever. I don't know. Please don't make me lie. Some of these little post-its, and I'm also going to be using some of these little earring hooks. And of course, even though these are blinged out and got glitter, I'm going to be adding more bling to them with my hot fix tool. If I punch a hole, it's going to be with the hole puncher. Trying to make sure I include everything that I'm using. And that's it. So let's go ahead and get started.